Network Access Control, NAC. Network Access Control, NAC, is a concept of controlling access to an environment through strict adherence to an implementation of security policy. Network Access Control, NAC, methodologies are used to unify endpoint security technologies such as antivirus, host intrusion prevention, and vulnerability assessment, user or system authentication, and network security enforcement. Goals of Network Access Control, NAC, are mitigation of non-zero-day attacks, authorization, authentication, and accounting, encryption of network traffic, role-based controls, enforcement of network policy, control access to the network device, identity and access management, pre-admission and post-admission. In pre-admission, endpoints are inspected for policy compliance before they gain access. For example, identifying and blocking out-of-date antivirus definitions. In post-admission, network access is granted but user actions are regulated and decisions to remove access are made based on compliance with network behavior rules. Agent versus agentless. Agent is a software program that reacts to its environment and runs without direct supervision to perform some function for an end user or another program. Out-of-band versus inline. Inline devices sit in the middle of traffic flow, usually above the access switch level, and decide whether to admit or restrict traffic from each endpoint as it logs in. Out-of-band devices separate the functions of deciding and enforcing and report to a central console for management. Remediation is necessary to resolve the problem that prevents access, for example, update the antivirus software. Two different approaches to remediation are quarantine and captive portals. Quarantine is the endpoint is restricted to a specific IP network or assigned VLAN that provides users with rooted access only to certain hosts and applications, like the patch management and update servers. Captive portals is the user access to websites is intercepted and redirected to a web application that guides a user through system remediation. Access is limited to the captive portal until remediation is completed.